Most content creators on social media and the internet were explaining how to make money by shortening links, promising that it was very easy and that you could earn high income. Neo watched these too. It looked so simple. Shorten any link, share it on social media, everyone clicks, and the money comes in. According to what was told, it was practically raining money. Neo's eyes sparkled, thinking, why shouldn't I do it too? And he shortened one of the most clicked links through a link shortening system and started sharing the newly created short link on his social media accounts. But then, something unexpected happened. None of the platforms were accepting his links. Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and others did not accept Neo's short links and even banned his accounts. Neo was sad and disappointed. He had thought it would be easy. Actually, it was easy and had great earning potential, but Neo didn't know this. In fact, most people did not want to explain it to avoid new competitors. Neo was about to give up in despair when he came across the Earn Money Online Mastery channel on YouTube. Here, he learned information that completely changed his perspective. What he learned was this: if shortened links were banned across all social media platforms, how were these huge link shortening services earning such massive amounts of money and paying users hundreds of thousands of dollars? In other words, making money by shortening links was actually very possible and attractive. Neo started listening carefully. Except for one platform, shortening links to earn money was banned on all social media applications. About 90% of the revenue generated by shortened links on social media came from X, formerly Twitter. The others were limited and extremely low. Even if you managed to share them on platforms like Pinterest or YouTube, they were detected very quickly and the account was banned. Only on X was link shortening not a problem. However, this required a lot of traffic, and the links shared needed to contain attention-grabbing information and be compelling enough to click. It was also not sustainable. For a beginner like Neo, this was extremely difficult. For this reason, he needed to create his own platform. This way, he would not face bans or restrictions. Since it was free and easy to use, he opened a blog on Blogger. He would share his own links here. He thought of an effective niche. For him, this would be a free tool site for website owners or bloggers. He wrote the first topic he would earn money from. For those who didn't know, these backlinks were very important. Do follow backlinks in terms of SEO. He would share the backlink list that SEO experts struggled to find. Neo uploaded these free backlinks he discovered to his Google Drive. Then he shortened this link using a link shortening service and added a section at the bottom of his blog post saying, "You can access these backlinks here." Now he could share this blog post on any social media platform without any problems. His own blog link could be shared without restrictions. For those working in SEO, this list was extremely valuable, and each person who visited his blog and clicked to access the list started making him money. As he shared his blog on social media, traffic increased. Then Google indexed his blog, and he began receiving traffic from Google as well. He had now built a steady and sustainable passive income source. Neo succeeded, so why shouldn't you? The niche example in this video is just that, an example. You can create a blog or website about any topic you want and earn money by shortening links just like this. You can find how the example system was set up in the blog post linked in the video description. Also, through the link in the description, you can sign up for the highest paying and most reliable link shortening service. If you want to make money online, subscribe to our channel and press the like button. If you want more videos like this, let us know in the comments.